you see? Do you see a bumper? Alright, man. Welcome back, everybody, man. As you can see, yeah, I'm back at it. And while while I had the camera off, I went back up under here and started tinkering some more stuff. And about I don't know, that was a little quick glance, but I started tinkering some more, and I started disconnecting even more wires. I had that one, it was this one that went back here. I think that's the one of the crank. I don't know, so probably zoom in for y'all to see that. And it was these right here. I want to say this one's right. Yeah, that one's there. That one's there. Unplug that. Right here on the thermostat, you got these two. I think they are grounds, but they was right on the thermostat. You had this one right here. I unplugged it. This one right here went up in here. That one, if I'm mistaken, probably on the back of the alternator. Anyway, I got that situated. I came on this side. I disconnected these. One went here. Another one. These were on the intake, the air intake. These right here. This one goes to this one. This one popped out of that. I got to take that off because that's running into the wiring harness. So, and I got one back there that I gotta undo. Got my little tool set. But today, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I got something that pertains or contains to the LS, and this. I was waiting on this for a minute. This is the it goes to the crank. It goes to the front. It holds the harmonic balancer. So I'm gonna be putting this in and turning over the motor to see if it's seized up or not. I hope that it's not seized up. Then I'm gonna have to go deeper into the motor to see what is it seizing up on. But I'm gonna put this, well, yeah, GM. Gonna pop this open real quick, put it in, and I'm just gonna start turning it a couple times just to see if it yeah, 15th, 16th. My kids got this stuff all right here. Y'all gonna have to get better, kids. All right, well look, I'm just about to stand right here, thread that in. All right. And it should stop in a minute. All right. That down. When is this motherfucker gonna stop? All right. I'm hoping that this mug. Please. All right, y'all. Give me a second, y'all, because it did what it was supposed to do, and it's turning over. And yeah, it's turning over, and yeah. Crazy. It is crazy. You hear the air and stuff. Like I said, it's not. It's doing what it's supposed to do for me. Like, that's clearing my conscience to let me further know that I can move to the next thing. So, with that being said, I probably should have pulled this thing out. Give me a second, y'all. Let me set y'all down for a second, and I'll be right back. All right. This is gonna be the top part. Gonna get y'all situated. That's gonna be it right there. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna slide this mug back up in here, and yeah, I know that's probably not what y'all wanted to see, but to me, it turning over without binding up on something, goddamn love bug, but with it turning over like that, it's definitely kind of like hiccuping a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be smooth, but it's not stopping. Like, it's just a little bit of and then it goes. So I don't know if that's due to the compression of it or whatnot, but everything's moving. I can't wait to hear this thing crank up. I can't wait to get this mug in the truck. I know y'all probably can't wait, because I'm just gonna keep talking about that until it happens. So the next video, y'all, I'm definitely gonna be taking this all the way out. I'm gonna be cleaning it up, getting it ready. I'm gonna repaint everything, get this old orange out, and I'm gonna go back with the all black, clean these heads up. I'm debating about taking these off, cleaning them up real good, and painting them black also. And then I'm thinking about taking them to get them powder coated black. But, you know, for what I'm going to be using the truck for, it's going to be pretty good. I'm going for that. I ain't going for that all, you know, flashy stuff like that. I'm more of a low-key sleeper type person. So, you know, get this painted all black and stuff like that, I'll be a little bit more happy. But I'm way more happy that it's turning over. So with that being said, y'all, I hope that, you know, it's coming. It's coming, y'all. It's coming. And just little baby steps at a time, y'all. I bought some stuff, Summit Racing. I got to buy some more stuff because I got to get all the sensors. I got to get the gasket for the intake. You know, I got that part right there. I'm going to clean that part up too. Yeah. This, I'm going to clean this up as well. Take the old gaskets because I got new gaskets. And then I got to figure out how to get these things out. I don't know if they're bolts or anything. I don't know if you can get some pliers or something and just twist them out. But I definitely got to get these out. Definitely got to clean up the whole motor. Make sure everything clean. I'm going to take the oil pan off. You know, clean everything real good. And, you know, we just going to go from there, man. I thought it was going to be a budget bill, but man, I think if it would have been a budget bill where I could have got the whole motor with everything on it, yes. But when you have to buy each individual part, because all I had was the block. I had the block, the heads, oil pan, the back plate, which I got the new back plate, so I'm gonna paint over this and put the new one on, and yeah. And I got the new one, the new front plate. Or shit, I take that out, clean it up real good, and reseal it. Or just, yeah, I'm gonna just buy a new one. Yeah, that's why it ain't a budget bill for real no more, because I gotta get everything new. It's just gonna make me be at peace just getting the stuff new. So with that being said, y'all, I'm sweating now, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, we're gonna be doing it. We're gonna be back at it, doing it again. So, hey, y'all have a good one. Peace.